Here's the deal with your escrow account. It's kind of like a special account, and a portion of every mortgage payment you make goes into it. Then, Fifth Third uses those funds to pay stuff like your property taxes and homeowners insurance as they become due. Payments from this account are made directly to your taxing authority and insurance carrier on your behalf. That makes escrow accounts very helpful because they're an easy way to combine many of your property-related expenses into one monthly payment. It's possible your escrow payment could increase or decrease due to tax bill changes, property reassessments, or changes to your insurance premium. To help manage this account, once a year, we'll review your escrow account to make sure it will have enough to cover the estimated bills for the coming year, and share the results with you so you can see how it affects your monthly payment. Fifth Third requires you to keep a minimum balance of 2 monthly escrow payments, unless your state has other requirements. Should you ever have an escrow shortage, you can simply pay the full amount or spread the balance over your next 12 mortgage payments. If you have an overage of $50 or more, we'll send you a check for the overage amount. If you're aware of changes to your tax or insurance amounts, you can make additional payments to your escrow account if you want to avoid a shortage. Got some questions or need help? Call customer service. Stop by any Fifth Third banking branch or check out our frequently asked questions at 53.com/escrowhelp. And that's the deal with your escrow account.